Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, base enclosure, and primary storage drive. Removal: remove the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the fingerprint reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the fingerprint reader board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the fingerprint reader bracket to the top cover. Lift the bottom edge of the fingerprint reader bracket off of the alignment pins and slide the fingerprint reader bracket tabs out of the notches in the top cover and remove. Carefully remove the fingerprint reader board from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover and remove. Place the fingerprint reader board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the fingerprint reader board from the static dissipative bag. Place the fingerprint reader board into position on the top cover and gently apply pressure to adhere it to the top cover. Tow the fingerprint reader bracket tabs into the notches on the top cover and lower it onto the alignment pins. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the fingerprint reader bracket to the top cover. Insert the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable into the fingerprint reader board ZIF connector on the fingerprint reader board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Apply pressure to the length of the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable to adhere it into position.